አንድ ሁለት ሶስት አራት አምስት ስድስት ሰባት ስምንት ዘጠኝ 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100
Don't go away just yet. I'm going to give you 3 quick bonus tips you don't want to miss.
1.
Amharic uses the borrowed word zero along with the symbol zero. Sometimes, the word
ባዶ,
meaning empty, is also used to express zero, such as when talking about game scores.
2.
The number 60 is widely mispronounced. Many people, including native speakers, say
60
without realizing that it is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is
60
3.
The Amharic alphabet and writing system contain namesake letters. In this context, namesake letters are Amharic letters that have similar sounds but different symbols. These letters should not be used interchangeably because doing so can change meanings and ignore the historical distinctions between the letters. Here are the correct namesake letters to use when writing Amharic numbers. The letters shown in green are the correct ones. Avoid using the letters shown in red for each number. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.
አመሰግናለሁ።